This is a review of the Ryobi Contractor Heavy Duty Green Bag tool that I would highly recommend. So I use this bag whenever I want to put all my equipment in storage or just keep it safe so I don't lose them or it doesn't get lost. And what I love about this bag is that it's extremely heavy duty and the storage capacity is very big as well too. It's extremely large. And you can see here that it comes with some straps as well too that you could pretty much hold it when you want to pretty much carry it around with you. This bag is also portable as well too, so you could pretty much carry it around with you pretty much everywhere. And I overall just love this bag because of how it keeps all your equipment that you get from, like, any equipment that you have, it keeps them safe and you don't get your equipment lost. So this is probably one of my most favorite bags for, to keep your devices and all of your accessories safe. I would highly recommend this Ryobi heavy duty contractor bag if you're looking to pretty much store your devices. Then this is probably one of the best bags and I would definitely recommend it.